Hello and welcome to day 4 of the 5 Days of Valentine Digis. Here is Julie's day 4 and mine is already cut up. It's the collage sheet. We have a collage sheet for day 4. You can kind of see it. There's flower, roses, and cupids, and I just love this bird. So I can kind of piece it back together, but I've already cut it up because I've already kind of started. I figured you didn't need to see me cut things again like yesterday. So I kind of measured and cut different panels, and then I used some of the file folder, the extras, and I made a little pocket. So this is also part of the collage sheet, and then this too, and I did stitching around. And now it's really sturdy. This would be a fun floating pocket in a junk journal. But I'm going to now attach the 3, I don't know if I want a big pocket. Yeah, maybe. Or just the 2, the 1. Maybe, yeah, maybe a big pocket. So I'm going to attach the 3 sides. And then this will go. This was going to be the front, but let me show you as soon as I get this glued on. As I was kind of playing with the folio, I noticed that it folds better if I kind of fold it in half instead of fold it over on itself. So let me show you. I need a little more glue because this is really thick. All right. We're just going to kind of place this on top of that. Okay. So before I was folding, I have my little ideas in there like this. But I think it folds better like this because I kind of made a wider area to fold here. And so I think it's gonna, this might be the front, or yeah, we'll see. Okay, so my son has been doing his craftiness and he wants to show you again. So this is first, let's see if you're in frame. Yeah, go down a little bit.
Down?
So it can, there you go. He wants to show you, he put this figure together and it has magnets. I don't know if it's wet, so I don't want to touch it. But he did his first painting. It's really cool, buddy.
And
I like the grass and the rock.
when I was doing this, it was just, well, I put on wood glue. Well,
I like it.
I kind of messed up, so.
It's beautiful. It's really cool. I like his wings. Awesome.
I don't know if I'm in frame.
Yeah, you just need to kind of go down so they can actually see. Pretty cool. All right, thanks for showing. Okay, I don't know where I was. I'm back. All right, so anyway, I think it's gonna fold better like this. Okay, so this pocket is on. A little more glue right here. And a little more right here. Okay. And then I cut out some pieces to go on, nope, that's not it, on the panels. And I cut them so that most of the sewing will show. So let's, I think this needs, I lost my big scissors. Trim a little bit more of this. Put this here. And go around this corner since it's kind of coming around where the, oh, it's probably gonna get glue everywhere. You know, I'll use my scissors. Okay. There we go. I might need to add something here. And then I also cut out this panel with the bird, I think. Let's see, make sure. Yeah. This one fits here. Lay it out a little bit more. A little trim. All right, let's add some glue. All right, that looks good. And then we have this panel. Oh, shoot. Oh, I had a cool idea. Now I don't know if I'll be able to do it. Darn, darn, darny, darn. Darn, darn. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Let's see if I'll still be able to. Darn. Forgot. I got ahead of myself. All right. That looks really fun. I like that. And then we have this. Okay. Darn it. Darn it. Darn it. Can I take this off? Is it too late? I think it's too late. Well, bummer. Okay. I was going to make a slit in my folder and then slide this in here and make a little booklet. But I got ahead of myself. Oh, maybe I can do it. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay. Oh, all right. I think I can do it then. And now I can add a slit here, and then I can slide this in, and I think it should still be able to slide out. Wait, hold on. Let me think about this. Is it? I think so. I think so. Well, let's just try it and see what happens. Let me get my stuff. I'll be right back. All right, I have my cutting mat and I had to find an X-Acto knife. I have never done this before, so I'm learning as I go here. But I think if I go just a little bit wider, then the item I want to stick in there, I'm guessing it should work, right? Oh man. All right. Looks like I have my first kind of slit, and then I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so that it's easy. I don't know if my head is in the way. I apologize. You're probably seeing gray hair, which I haven't done. I think I'm just gonna do this and then cut through it. I guess I should have done that first. Again, I'm learning as I go. This big heart will look cute on the cover of the little booklet we're gonna make. trim this over here. And go going on. Cute, cute, cute. And maybe we want to layer something else. I don't know. All right, well, let's make our little book. And then maybe it will speak to me. Do I have scraps? Yeah, that's not gonna cut it. I have these scraps. And let's get a book page. Trimming some of these down. Here, get our little bits out of the way. Okay, I think I'm going to go to my sewing machine and I'm going to sew right here through the middle. And before I do that, I might stitch around the edge of the little book. All right, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Look how stinking cute. Stitched around. And I also stitched on the back. So cute. And now I have those little booklets. I'm gonna rip. No, I'm not gonna rip that. Let's rip here. Oh, come on. Leave those. Okay. And then you can slide in here. Just like that. Cute. Wonder, should we put something so that it stays down? let me go look what I have. I'll be right back again. Okay, I decided on this wax seal. So far the glue is holding, but we'll see in a little while. And the pocket is back on. It's looking cute, cute, cute. All right, so now, oh, and yesterday I backed these journal cards with coffee dyed paper and then did some stitching. So now they're a little more stable, a little more sturdy. So those are tucked in here. Might need more glue on that, but I'm moving on for now. And then, let's see, where are we? What else do we want to do today with our, oh, you know what? We're gonna need some tucks, some things to tuck in here. So maybe I just kind of add these cards like that. Ooh, I want to add a doohickey. You know what I'm saying. So let's do this one. These I'm gonna just add coffee dye and stitch around like I do. Tab thingy. Put it like that, and then we'll just stitch around. How cute. I'm loving it. And that can slide in here. So when I stitch, then you can be able to pull it out. I guess I should do that with these. So we'll stitch that, and that will go in here. And we'll do the same thing for this one. Do it on the bottom this time. Okay, whoops, oh man. And then we'll go there. Well, that's cute. Cute, cute. Front or front? Which one? Is this gonna be the front? Probably, and then that's the back. I think I'm gonna add something, but I don't know yet. Okay, or maybe, I don't know what to do with those right now. I think I'm good for day 4. So we have this guy that slides out today. We made a little booklet, and then with the collage, we backed the pages, and then we have some journaling cards. I think we did good. All right, so thanks so much for joining me for day 4, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. Have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.